everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I am super excited. I just received my first winter box. I almost said finally received my first winter box, but it's not even officially winter yet. But I've seen a lot of people post like their winter FabFitFun and also their winter POPSUGAR. But I'm so psyched. This is heavy too. So I have here the winter POPSUGAR must-have box, and this is seriously one of my favorite subscription boxes. I've been getting it since it was monthly. Now it is seasonally. I do pay for this one myself, and I do have a referral code. It is a little bit expensive. It's $75 per season, but I believe you get over $300 worth of goods, and they're always so awesome and well curated. But like I said, I have a referral link that will save you $20, so you can get your first box for $20 off. This box always sells out. I did not check yet if the winter box is sold out. It wasn't as of a couple days ago when I was checking out my tracking and all that. So I'm going to link that down below. Sorry if I'm a little off. I haven't filmed in days. Like, one, I was just like feeling a little like sick or down. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. And I've had this humongous dent in my face for like over a week now, and I've been so good not picking at it, but it is humongous. And of course it's around the holidays, and you know, like you guys are looking at my face, so sorry about that. But I just, you know, thought whatever, we all get zits sometimes. But let's stop jabbering, or I'll stop jabbering, and let's get this box open. I'm so excited. So with POPSUGAR, you do get to customize a couple items, so that is all I know that is coming, and you can add on some things. The add-on selection, it is not as big as like FabFitFun's add-ons, but they do have some really good stuff. So when I open it up, well, this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can lift this up without dropping everything. So it's jam-packed. It says happiness delivered. The winter 2019 POPSUGAR must-have box. So inside it tells you all about the item, so I'll keep this nearby to reference, and I can see several things on top. This is so exciting. Let's start with what's closest to me. This looks like Rifle & Co., or is that what it's called? Rifle Paper Co. So this is some blank cards. I have a lot of their cards. I probably actually have used a lot of them, but I love their prints. I've had like their like journals and stuff in the past too. So this says mercy on it, it's like thanks. So rifle paper, 8 cards in envelopes. And it says our cards are printed in the USA, and each set is assembled by hand in our Florida studio. Florida! I'm trying to dress like it's not in the 80s out here. Like after filming, I'm totally going to change. It is poker, oh, I almost said it's a poker night. What am I talking about? It's trivia night. I don't know if I've updated you guys in a video yet, but we won the Trivia League Championship last week. So now it's like a new season starting tonight. So super pumped about that. That was awesome. We got like a medal and stuff. Okay, found it. So wow, this pack of 8, is $18. That's kind of pricey for greeting cards, but again, they are super cute. So let's move on to the next item. It is makeup, and it is by Kemna Quan. I don't know if I've ever tried any makeup by Kemna Quan before, so this is really exciting. This is the Neo Blush Rose Clip. So here is the outer packaging. Let's get it open. This is like such a cute little compact. Ooh, this is like an ombre like blush, so there is a mirror in it. I'll try not to blind you, but that is what it looks like. So I'm gonna swatch it at both ends, but I'm guessing when I use it, I'll probably just kind of like move my brush all around. Ooh, this feels so soft. There is on my fingers. I got a manicure this morning. I'm so happy, I really needed it. So that's like the two opposite ends, and then I'm just gonna like blend it all together. I'm not even sure if you'll be able to really tell on camera, but this seems really pretty. I'm so excited to play with this. It's so nice and buttery. And again, I've never tried the brand. I always get really excited when I try a new brand out. So let's see how much this costs. So the Kemna Quan Neo Blush in Rose Clip is $38. It says for an instant glow in the dead of winter, use this creamy powder that's easy to apply. The pigmented shade is universally flattering and blends satin, matte, and pearl finishes for instant luminosity and major color payoff. It's both blendable and buildable, so you can make it as subtle or as bold as you wish. Super excited about that. Awesome. And then I see something here. What is this? MS Skincare Kapha Energizing, Rejuvenating, Invigorating Body Oil. Okay. I don't know if I've ever heard of this brand, or have I? So the box looks kind of wet, like it leaked a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I think just a little bit came off, but like it's so full, like barely any at all. But this is what the actual bottle looks like. It's either just like a little bit messy on top. I think that's what came out. But yeah, let's see if this has a scent, or how does this... Oh wait, oh, did I unscrew it too much? Okay, so there's like a pump. Yeah, it's kind of wet. It smells really good. Like a spa, like skincare. So let's learn more about this, because like I said, I don't know anything about this company. I do love oils. I use oils on my face every day. I don't always use oils on my body, but I think that does feel nice, like after you take a bath or shower. So this is, wow, this is $68. It's an uplifting oil blend. It's warm and energizing, so it's great to use when you're tired and want to feel invigorated. To use, massage the oil into the skin with long circular strokes. And it says for best results, apply to damp skin directly after bathing. So that's like with moisturizers too. You always want to do it like when your skin's still damp, because that's when your skin absorbs it the best. So I'm not going to read the full product descriptions for everything, so this video isn't too lengthy, but I'm excited to try this out. $68, like this is something I would never normally go out and purchase myself, but I'm happy to get it in a subscription box. Next thing, I have no clue what this is. It looks like there's like a Wishbone print on there. Nima Ambore Lunares. I have no idea. I'm butchering whatever their name is. I have no clue what this is. Oh, this is beautiful. It's kind of like a catch-all tray, I think is what you call it. So it's like silver on this side, and that's what it looks like inside. And it has their trademark on the bottom. I feel like I might have gotten something by this brand in like a past Neiman Marcus Pop Sugar must-have box. Those boxes are so expensive. I can't afford them anymore. They were like two like table like bookshelf things, like they hold up your books. I can't think of the name very well, but I think this is so beautiful. Like definitely something I would display. I'm wondering what I would put in it. Like, is it something you can like just lay downstairs, like by like the entrance, like on Grandiza, and just like throw some like your keys in it, or put some makeup in it? But I don't know. I can't decide what I want to do with it yet. So this is called the Bianco Nero Rectangle Dish Tray, and it is $69. We call this the anything dish because it is so versatile. Oh, and they show it with like some Milano cookies. Is that what they're called? Milano cookies? Oh, cookie sounds so good. So it says this trendy black and white design makes a glam accent fit for any room. This piece is handmade by artisans using the ancient technique of sand casting, and we love that it's made out of recycled materials. That's so cool. I really like this. So far I'm loving how we're getting a mix of like beauty, skincare, and home stuff. And now I see a snack. You know, I always am happy about that. This is the Fast Bar Nutrition Bar. Experience fasting and nutrition for weight management and healthy aging. Fast Bar is a proprietary blend of nuts and cocoa powder. Oh, so this is like something you put in a drink. Oh, okay. I'm really into intermittent fasting. I go through periods where I'm really good at it and then I'm not. This premium nutrition bar provides nourishment while still signaling a fasting mode to your body by a scientifically determined formulation of high quality nuts and other selected ingredients. Okay, so it is a bar. It's not something you mix into a drink. I'm excited to try this out and see how I can incorporate this into my fasting, because if I could have this while fasting, that would be awesome. So that's the back of the package. So there is like a decent amount of calories, but if you're fasting, that's not too many. Yep, so this Fast Bar by El Nutra is $3. All right, next up, this is by Apotheke White Vetiver Reed Diffuser. Awesome. I'm trying not to say awesome all the time. I'm like such a product of the 90s. Okay, let's see. So here are the reeds. Is the diffuser. Oh yeah, I like this like just simple look of this. What does it smell like? It smells really good. So you just put these in there. I'll untie them in a bit and leave these in your house, and the scent just like distributes throughout the reeds and makes your home smell so good. I like this. Let's see what the description says for the scent, because I'm so bad at describing scents. So this is $48, and it says, to fill your space with lasting fragrance, this diffuser will keep a room smelling fresh for 3 to 4 months. Wow, that's a long time. The sultry white vetiver scent includes notes of cashmere, eucalyptus, and lilac, entwined with earthy sandalwood, amber, and cedarwood. This reed diffuser is thoughtfully crafted using alcohol-free perfume-grade oils. You like it so much you'll want one for every room. Awesome. I just did it again. Oh, I'm guessing this is a little jewelry piece. I think I've gotten something from this brand before. Tie. Just wrapped up so cute. Oh, I think this might have been something we could customize. I can't. Yeah, there's like an option between 3 jewelry pieces. I cannot get this necklace off. I have to remember to ask someone tonight. Like, not that I hate it or anything, but I wanted to change up my jewelry and I can't get it off. Maybe now that my nails are done and like, I don't know, but it was hard. And now I can't get this open. Alright, yes, this is the necklace I chose. It's like a silver pendant with like rainbow gems in it. I think it's super pretty. The other options I think were gold, and I think silver looks better on me necklace wise. I don't know, I'm trying to figure out because I think I'm more cool toned, or I know I am. So that is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see the different colors that are inside it. So it's a pretty short one, so they'll like hit right around there. So I think it's super pretty. Let's learn more about it. So depending on what piece you chose, the retail price ranges from $60 to $80. I can't remember what I feel like mine was like around $68 or something like that. But they said, yeah, you got to either pick from a dainty hoop earrings, a gold tone rainbow necklace, or a silver plated medallion necklace. So I got the silver plated medallion necklace, and you could see it pictured right there. If you couldn't get a better picture of it or a vision of it when I was showing it earlier. But I think it's really pretty. I'm excited to wear it if I can ever get this necklace off. And this is what's up next. Oh yay, I think I remember seeing a spoiler for this. So this is like a little travel makeup case. I love that it has a handle. I didn't realize that. So it has like the gold zippers and a handle. And it has like something on the bottom here so you can like stand it up if you wanted to. So let's see what it looks like. This is by Hudson and Bleecker. This looks so cool. I have so many makeup bags, but this one just seems like it can fit a lot, and I love the shape of it. So here's what it looks like on the inside. So well, I guess there's like a card about it there, but there's like a little pouch right here. And then there's another bag on the inside so you can put stuff in that clear bag, and then that is what the rest of it looks like. You can fit a lot of stuff in here, and I love how there's this bag, so if you anything like is possibly like able to spill, you can put it in that clear bag. I just think this is so cute. Let's see how much this costs. So this is called their Preto Nomad Round Travel Case. It's made with vegan leather. I won't read everything. Oh, it says clear bag is TSA friendly in case you're carrying it in your carry-on luggage, and it is $48. I love this. I'm totally gonna get some use out of this when I do some travel. Then there's like this little card in the bottom of this. It says, the question isn't who's going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. Anne Rand. And on the back, by Charles and Colbert, it says, happy holidays, beautiful. Looking for a gorgeous gift at an amazing price? We've got you covered. So I guess there's a 25% off coupon code for this brand. But that inside the box, it says a little note there. I don't know if you can see what it says. Don't forget your custom add-ons are below. Let's see. I added on several things. So first up, these are some like pretty bobby pins by Shashi, I think. It comes with a little bag, but here they are. They're just like pearl bobby pins. I thought these would be cute for the holidays. So that's my first add-on. And then what I'm the most excited about is a headband. I love the headband I got added on last season in the fall, that like leopard print one. You guys have probably seen me wear it. This is so pretty. I'm so excited about this. You guys see it has like the gold and black detail. Oh my god, let's put it on. Oh, it's got a little tag on it still. Let's get that off first. And this is also by Sashi. I love it so much. I just love headbands. It's super comfortable too. And then the last final thing inside the box is my last add-on. And this is a 2020 planner. I actually just got one in one of my boxes. I did not expect that, but I can use different planners for different things. And you know, I got a lot of stickers and stuff like that to put in it. So let me show you. This is actually by Rifle Paper Co. That company was the first item I opened the cards. So this is their 17th month planner. Let me get this piece of paper off. I'm super excited about this. So it has little tabs for the months, super cute. So I'll definitely get some use out of it. Still can't believe 2020 is just right around the corner. But that was everything, you guys, in the box. I am going to just grab my phone and calculate the total value. For the jewelry, I'll just go with the lower end of it, and I will let you know in just 1 second. So the total value is $352, or it could have gone up to $372 depending on the jewelry piece you customize or that you received if you wanted a surprise. So I think this is totally worth it. So again, this cost me $75, but if you guys wanted to sign up for POPSUGAR, you can get $20 off your first box using my referral link down below. I think that link gets just automatically applied to your cart. Definitely let me know if there's any issues, but I know a lot of people have used that in the past. So thank you. Whenever anyone uses that code, I do get some credit, and that credit can go towards future boxes. So if you guys subscribe and you get it, you also will get a referral link to share with your family and friends, and you can get credit towards your box, so it is less expensive. I love this box so much. I'm always so happy with what I get. I think they do a great job curating it and picking items for the season. I love everything. I'm trying to think what my favorite thing is. I love the makeup case. This is just like so cute, and you don't even have to travel to use this. You can just use this at home and everything. I just think it is adorable, and I love that it is vegan leather. That's important to me. I love that dish. So pretty. The makeup item, I love there's jewelry, makeup, skincare, home stuff, snacks. Just got it all. I'm really happy with this box. Yeah, I can't pick a favorite right now. I don't know. It might have to be, I even love my add-on like so much, but I love everything. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below, what you think about this box. And if you're in the US, I hope you have an amazing and safe Thanksgiving. And I'm so grateful for all of you. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and for all your love and support. You guys mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.